Hey fam bam, happy International Women's Day. We are bold, we are fearless, we cannot be taken for granted, okay? Anyway, so this look is just me trying to use all the makeup that I own and a little bit of a cut grace, no half grace, green, ombre look. I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, babe, so after applying my faces into Too Faced Hangover X Primer and doing my brows using the Benefit Brow, you know how it is, in the shade 5, I am going to go ahead and clean my brows and prep the lid as usual using the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade 12, okay? So the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using in this video are the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, 2 palettes from them. First is this Nubian 1 palette. I'm grabbing a huey shade, which is shade Morocco, and the shade Jezebel. I do not like that name. Jezebel is basically a deep plum shade, and I'm stamping both in the outer corner of my crease, you know, just focus on that outer corner of my crease. Then I'm going in with the shade Kenya, and I'm going to try and just kind of deepen that a little bit, and I'm going to use whatever's left on the brush and just put it all over my crease. So because we're doing a cut crease action and we've got a little bit of a hooded eye, just going to want to place that concealer on the lid just right there and then look up. So where the concealer transfers is where you want to take the concealer to. This is the best cut crease hack for hooded eyes that I can give you. Like, literally love this. So now I'm going to the shade Marley in the Masquerade palette, which is a green shade, and I'm going to place this in the middle of the cut crease, just where the cut crease ended with the concealer, and I'm going to transfer it to the inner corner a little bit, leaving a little bit of a space in that inner corner. And for that little space, I'm going to go into the shade Zola, which is a blue shimmer shade. I'm just going to put that in the middle shade, and then I kind of changed my mind and I added another shade on top of that, and I believe it's the shade in the Nubian 1 palette. I'm saying I believe because I forgot, okay? And I think it's the shade Nairobi, which is a yellow shimmer shade. Let's kind of put that on top of both shades and just kind of see what I got. I don't know. You know when you're trying to create something and it's just like, yeah, just keep rolling with it, you know? Just keep rolling with it. And as you guys can see, I'm doing a big I do not care wing using the Inglot number 778 MC gel liner. Just doing a massive wing. Big wing, because I felt like I needed to compensate for the lack of creativity on my eyelid. Now for my face, I am mixing, you know, as you guys can see, I mixed 2 foundations together, 2 Maybelline foundations to I just wanted to mix it because if you guys watch my recent video, you notice that foundations expire quicker, so I just wanted to. And I'm trying to use makeup products that I haven't really been using. I'm just trying to use them up. That's why I'm using the products in this video, literally. I'm being honest with you, especially this Fenty Beauty matchstick. I'm not really a massive fan of the concealer because it just drags. I just keep dragging it against my skin, but I'm using it because it costs a lot of money, okay? So that's what's happening here. Why am I even doing the voiceover? I don't know. But anyway, I'm just blending and we're blending together. Well, have you guys watched Blended? Is it Blended with Jennifer Aniston? And yeah, I think it is Blended. I'm blending. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, I'm supposed to be professional. Okay, so I'm blending and then I'm gonna go ahead and set the powder, and you best believe I'm gonna use this powder literally because it's expiring soon. If you guys watch my recent video, you know that, okay? This is the Arbonne Got You, is it Got You Covered or Mineral Foundation powder? And I'm using it to set my concealer and just cut my, you know, jaw, whatever that place is called, you know, cut my contour. I don't know. I just wanted to use the powder, guys. It expires in May, okay? And I'm gonna use this powder, which is the L'Oreal True Match powder, to kind of blend everything off to kind of make things more, you know, nice and natural, but still a little bit of a full coverage, okay? Now I'm gonna bronze my face in this CoverGirl Quick Shade bronzer, which is finishing, okay? And then we're gonna blush using e.l.f. And before we finish, for my under eye, I just basically, what I'm saying here is I'm matching my blush to my outer crease, okay? For my inner corner, I just went with a yellow shade, and I also highlighted using the LeBron's Glow Powder, you know, Le Peach and LeBron's, you know, you gotta mix them together and just go crazy, you know? I need to sleep. Okay, what's next? Lips. I'm gonna put all these things down below, okay? And for my under eye, I just went in with a deep brown shade for my under eye, nothing too crazy, okay? So yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this disaster of a voiceover and this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below. And keep using your makeup products that you bought for a long time, okay? That you bought a long time ago. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, thank you so much, babes, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this disaster, and whatever you're doing, love yourself. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye-bye.